Hello everyone, this is Dr. Williamson. Welcome to Module 3. You'll see at the top, you'll see the overview for neurological function, eye and the ear. Then you see your student learning outcomes below that. You'll see your student learning activities and experiences. You see your reading assignment here. Review the resources to enhance learning. We'll open that up in just a moment. Your Module 3 assignment. And then you see that the content from this is included in Quiz 1 and the comprehensive final. And you also have final exam review questions that will be available for you. So moving on down, you'll see the resources to enhance learning. If you look inside that, what you'll see is that you have some Porth PowerPoints that are there for you. Open those up and look through them. You'll see some Cocky Cliff Notes here, which are the narrated, which are the PowerPoints that have the notes attached to them. Be sure you read here below. I believe these were recorded by Dr. Dunn. And you can open here and go into each one of those. You also have a study guide. This is just an overview that has some topics listed that are important for you to know. And then below that, what you see is you've got a Module 3 recording that will be available for you after you submit the case study assignment for your review of the case study. So all of that is found under the resources to enhance learning, and that's to help you focus in on what you need to study for this content, because once again, it's a large amount of content. We realize that, but that's one of those things with a class like Advanced Pathophysiology. It just covers a lot of content. So moving back to under the assignment tab for the module here, as you move on down, you'll see that you have another case study assignment and you have the grading guidelines here for it. So be sure that you refer to those closely as you're completing that, and be sure that you refer to the course calendar for the due date and time. Then below that, you'll see your submission link. And then below that are your final exam review questions that will be available after you have your Quiz 1. So I hope that that you have a good understanding of neurologic function and the eye and the ear once you cover this module. And be sure that you let me know. Email me if you have any questions or concerns. Sorry about my dog.